In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change contact picture on iPhone. So the first thing you do is tap on the call icon over here to open up your contacts. Then you search for the person whose contact you want to change. The picture. Let's say I want to change the picture of this particular person. Tap on the person and then tap on edit at the top right corner. Then tap on edit on the photo side and then you choose a new one by tapping on this. So once you tap on this, you now choose the new photo you want to use. Let's say you want to use this one, then you tap on choose. You can choose, you can see the different settings to it. Different effects you can use on it. And then you tap on done. Once you tap on done, then tap on done again and tap on done again, and that's it.